बांग्लादेश में जारी पुरतशद्दुद मुजाहरों के बाद हसीना बाजिद मुस्ताफी होकर मुल्क छोड़कर भारत भाग निकली। इस वक्त बांग्लादेश की क्या सूरत हाल है, जानते हैं ढाका में मौजूद स्कूल टीचर नाजिया खान से। नाजिया, अब ये बताइएगा, अब वहां पर क्या सूरत हाल है, क्या हालात देख रही हैं?
You know, this was something that we know that it is inevitable, because in the last couple of days, especially from 15th of July, the way innocent students were attacked by the ruling party's student wing, which is known as Chhatra League, and also by the ruling party's defense people. So we knew that this is something which was going to happen. We were just waiting for today. And today it is more like, the freedom of Bangladesh has been re-established. He went there at 11:30 in the morning, and around 3:30 we got the news that he has been shot by the police and he died on the spot. So it was such a trauma for us, and we could never expect, because my nephew, he was never related with any political party or.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।